Welcome back. In this video, we are going to tackle a very common coding interview question, finding the second largest element in an array. We will look at how to solve this efficiently. Let's first understand the goal. We are given an array of integers, and we need to identify the second largest distinct value. For example, in the array shown here, 35 is the largest, and 34 is the second largest. A common first thought is to simply sort the array. If we sort the array in ascending order, the largest elements move to the end. We can then traverse backwards to find the first element that is not equal to the largest one. However, sorting is expensive. Standard sorting algorithms take O of n log n time. In an interview, we want to solve this in linear time, O of n, traversing the array just once. To do this efficiently, we need two variables. One called largest to track the maximum value found so far, and another called second to track the second largest value. We initialize them to a very small number or negative infinity. As we loop through the array, if we find a number greater than our current largest, two things happen. First, the current largest becomes the new second. Then, we update largest to this new number. There is another case. What if the number is smaller than largest but bigger than second? We check if the current number is greater than second and not equal to largest. If true, we simply update second to be this number. Let's trace this with an example, starting with -1 for both. When we see 12, it becomes largest. When we see 35, 12 moves to second and 35 becomes largest. Later, when we see 34, it replaces 12 as the second largest. Here is the logic in code. We initialize our variables, loop through the array once, apply our two conditions to update the largest and second largest variables, and finally return the result. This approach is optimal. We visit every element exactly once, giving us a time complexity of O of n. We use a constant amount of extra space, so the space complexity is O of 1.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.